Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get a refund on Uber Eats. This is going to be refunding the entire order and it's going to be the same process whether you are on your mobile devices, whether it's Android or iPhone, or if you are on the website version like I am now. So I'm going to show you the method. So first of all, we want to go to the help menu. So if you are on your phone, just want to go to that part, or you can click on the top left hand corner like I did, the three little lines, then get the help here. You can also click on orders and then go to help that way. Once you are on the order section, click on the order you want to refund and then you want to click on help with an order, past order, that section there, and then you want to click on food damage or quality issue. That's the section you want to be on there, and it's going to give you two different options here. It's going to ask you if you want to refund your entire order. You want to click on the entire order one, go ahead and click next. Go ahead and tick that box and then click next. Then it's going to have a few different options pop up again. Same thing, all these sections are going to be different options. You can click on so. Personally, it depends on what your issue was, so you can tick any of that. It depends on your issue, and then it should come up with a section where it says thank you for contacting us, and then you might have to wait potentially 5 minutes or 24 hours depending on how quickly they get back. But once you go back in, it should be after a while. You can click back on the help section, go back to the same place where it says support messages, and then you should be able to see hopefully it's been resolved in there as you see. So they will refund it entire the order. You will have to wait a while to get the full payment on your card or PayPal, whatever you used, but it will get there eventually. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.